Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day. My name is Ahmad Farhan Hakim bin Ahmad Chanbali, and I am from Group 2. This is my group members, Izul Hakim, Nick Muhammad Imam, Steve Edelson, and Farzana Nazira. Our project title is Automatic Fish Feeder. This is our problem statement. Our problem statement is involve hand feeding the fish when the host leave for work and nobody is around to feed the fish, and the time when feeding the fish will be different every day. Next is our project aim. Our project aim is to feed a fish in automatic way and have a function to set the time machine to move and set the volume of food to feed the fish. Our project also will have a feature to detect the food level in container that give warning to user when the food is in low level. Next is our objective. Our objective is to design and develop a circuit design for automatic fish feeder, to create program for controlling circuit in automatic fish feeder, and to evaluate and integrate the hardware of the system of automatic fish feeder. That's from me. Thank you.
My name is Fazana Nazira binti Ramli and I will continue with scope. The scope for this project are: first, Arduino Uno microprocessor to process input-output of the system. Second, a servo motor and motor driver to control the volume of food. Third, ultrasonic sensor to read the volume of food in container. The fourth is three unique push button to setting the frequency of machine. The fifth is two LED to display food level in container. The sixth is potentiometer to control buzzer. Seven is 5 volt 1 emitter power supply USB Type A interface to run the circuit. It is LCD to display the setting of machine. The nine is auto couple relay to cut the power of LCD to save power. And lastly is a 5 volt buzzer to give warning when food in low level. Okay, next comparison of related previous project study. Okay, based on this table, we can see mostly previous project use battery as power source. But for our project, we use Arduino Uno as the microcontroller that connect the sensor and other component. Arduino Uno is one of the best open source microcontroller and it is easy to use. And also, the Uno can connect with multiply components. Next is the system block diagram for automatic fish feeder. It illustrates the functional view of the automatic fish feeder system. The button 1 and button 2 function to set the time and to act as select button. The ultrasonic sensor will detect the food in container and give input signal to Arduino Uno. The potentiometer used to control the buzzer. All output from button 1, button 2 and potentiometer will be shown on LCD so that we know the setting of the fish feeder. The LED will be act as indicator if ultrasonic sensor detect the food or not. With this system, the automatic fish feeder can operate.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nik Muhammad Imam bin Abdul Khalid. So I will explain the system flowchart of our project. So if we push the timer button or the first button, one time it will show 3 hours. The second time it will show 6 hours. The third time it will show 12 hours, and the fourth time it will show 24 hours. If we push the timer button again, it will repeat again 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. So next, if we push the second button, it will show the quantity of the food. If we push it one time, it will show small. Second time, it will show medium, and the third time, it will show big. After the time and the quantity of the food have been set, the countdown will start, and after the countdown end, the servo motor will move a certain degree that have been set to each small, medium, and big quantity. And then the countdown will continue after until the set time end. So this is the body design of our project. So it show that the ultrasonic sensor is at the top of the food container, and the Arduino relay and all the wiring is inside the body. The LED, servo LED, LCD, and push button, buzzer, and potentiometer is in front of the body, and the servo motor is at the bottom of the food container, and this is the design. The figure below show our schematic design of our project. The figure show all the component that connected to an Arduino. This design is designed in online simulator Walkwe. So here we have relay, buzzer, ultrasonic sensor, potentiometer, servo motor, button, LED, I2C LCD, and the resistor, and Arduino Uno. So this is our schematic design.
Greetings, my name is Steve Edelson and Patrick Lingam, and I'll be presenting the software that we use for our automatic fish feeder project. So for this project, we use two main software, which is Autodesk Inventor Professional version 2022, and also an online simulator called Walkwe. Next, I will present the hardware that we use for our automatic fish feeder project. For this project, we use a Servomoto SG90, an ultrasonic sensor, a 16 by 2 LCD, an Arduino Uno, LED, push button, potentiometer, relay, and also buzzer. So here are the bill of material that we use for our automatic fish feeder. We have listed the software and hardware that we use along with its supplier, its price, unit, and the total price. So this project cost us around 67 ringgit and 16 cent.
So Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Zul Hakim. Now I'm going to explain about project hardware. So this is the project hardware of our project 3P, which is technical design project. This is our testing testing demo in real fish. So it works well. Then the discussion of our project is that for the system time, 3 time we test in 3 hours. The actual time is correct with the system. Same goes to 6 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. So the output quantity test for testing 1, which is in small, the quantity of small is okay, is in good condition, is in good quantity, which is tally with the which is when the output is small, the output of food that out from the project is small quantity also. But in test 1, the output is too many. Same goes to big, which is too much food that goes into into the project. But we have troubleshoot the problem, and in medium and in big quantity. The output of the test is in good quantity. So the future enhancement for our project is that the feeder can be added a global system for mobile GSM. The GSM S1M900A works by sending and receiving message, which is the fish feeder can give monitoring system of the aquarium environment. The feeder can be added the timer that show the timer on the monitor. So the feeder can be added the oxidation reduction potential ORP. The ORP is an important indicator to measure the water quality of aquaculture waters, which is the monitoring system that I have said. So that's all from me. Thank you.